What up, boy? We got a new package. I wonder what it is. Well, it's a daggone remote starter switch. Well, what else do we have in here? We got another package. Amazon is getting like you, putting one package inside another package. Tear this open. Some more light in here. Better lighting. Some video. That's trash. And then another package. This is bubble wrap. Oh, they did not want anybody getting in here. What is it? We got a smoked engine start, stop, and keyless go system. That's what I'm going to be putting in the beast. It's going to be fun. I love bubble wrap. But back to this. Oh, this is going to be fun. Look at that. This is my button. There's my button. I got, so this might go into here. Something like that, maybe, not really sure. Then we got a RECIEVES code. Oh, I have to carry this code around to even start the vehicle. Then I also have to carry, so I gotta carry this code around to start the vehicle. And then I also have to carry these blue pieces, it looks like. This is the module. It's pretty cool. Some wiring, more wiring. Use the manual and wiring diagram. Let's check that out. Let's see. Programming switch. Wheel side of control module. So it must be that. So that little button, there's a little button inside it. That's a programming switch. Okay, so this is my loop antenna. Still trying to figure out this. This is my start button. So what is okay, so I gotta have this code and one of these keys just nearby just to start it. That's pretty cool. That way so no one will steal my truck. Can't wait to do that. Following the instructions seems like it'll be pretty easy, but it might take some work. So let's see. Where did I see that wiring diagram at? Just going by the wiring diagram. So let's see, there's green. What is this one for? Blue. So there's a green and a brown in here. I don't know what it is. Nope, that don't plug into there. Okay, this is the foot brake wire. The green is the positive and the brown is the negative. Oh, the brown is you do not use. Just goes, but the green goes to the foot brake, so that will connect to my brake pedal that controls my brake lights. Got some wiring in here. Now this big assembly, this is where the fun begins. Dun, 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 dun. So we got the yellow wire, just this one right here. That will connect with the starter wire. Brown, that will connect to ignition 2 wire. Red will connect to with a constant 12 volt. White will connect with ignition 1 wire. Blue connect with accessory ACC. Black will connect to a ground. Nice. Okay. Looks like it'll be pretty easy, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. So that's a project right there. It's gonna be pretty fun. Cannot wait to do that. Bed. Then tomorrow I will make a video to show you how this works. How I can use this on the vehicle. It's pretty cool. So, talk to you later. Stay with it. Can't wait.